Hi James, have you ever heard that metal that can melt in your hand or a piece of metal that can explode when it touches water? What if I told you there's a metal that can bend and then return to its original shape? Sounds like magic, right? But actually, this is science, not magic.
In this video, we're going to explore some of the most surprising and unusual metals on Earth and ask people what they know about them. So let's find out, is it magic or just misunderstood science?
Hello, thank you in advance for being willing to be interviewed. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Nindi.
Okay, Nindi, I want to ask you something interesting. Have you ever heard about metals that melts in your hand?
I think I've heard about that. Isn't it gallium?
Yeah, exactly right. What do you know about that?
I think it melts at a low temperature, so it melts with body heat, but I never tried myself.
That's right. What about metals that explode or break in water? Have you ever heard or seen like that?
Oh yeah, that happens with sodium and potassium. I've seen it on YouTube.
Yes. Many people think these things are magic or fake. What do you know? Why people think like that?
Maybe because they don't know the science behind it, so it looks strange, like from a movie.
Okay, Nindi, thank you. Your answer is very good.
Hello, thanks for being here. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Amazia Grace. I go by Grace.
Have you ever heard of metal that can return to its original shape after being bent?
Not at all. Is that real?
It is. They're called shape memory alloys, like nitinol. When heated, they return to the shape they were made in.
Oh, I just found out about that. It sounds like magic.
Yes, many people think it's magic, but this is science.
Wow, that's really cool.
Okay, thank you, Grace, for your time. It was great talking to you and hearing your talks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about what's really happening behind these magical metals, because this is science, not magic. Gallium melting in the hand. The myth is a metal that melts in your hand must be fake or dangerous. The fact is that metals is gallium. It's 100% real and melt at just around 30 degrees Celsius. It's non-toxic and yes, you can safely hold it.
Sodium reacting in water. The myth is metal and water are always shaped together, but fake is not always. Alkali metals like sodium and potassium react violently with water. They release hydrogen gases and heat it, which can cause small explosion. Nitinol, while returning to shape. The myth is a metal that remembers its shape must be CGA, but the fake, it's real. Nitinol is a shape memory alloy. When you heat it, the atoms return to their original structure, making the metal reshape itself.
So what did we learn on this video? Some metals can melt in your hand, float in water, or even return to their original shape. Not because of magic, but because of science. This cool reaction happens because atoms and molecules act a certain way. It might look like magic, but science can explain it. And that's what makes it fun. So if you see crazy fatal video online, don't be fooled. It's not magic, it's real science.